Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Tineco vacuum is running but the brush roller is not spinning, it can seriously affect cleaning performance because the roller is responsible for lifting dirt and debris from surfaces. When it stops moving, the vacuum may still have suction, but it won't clean effectively. This issue can happen due to hair buildup, blockages, improper installation, or safety features that stop the roller when something is wrong. The tricky part is that the vacuum may not always show a clear error, so you need to check things manually. Instead of assuming a motor failure, it's better to go through a few simple checks step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to fix the brush roller issue and get your vacuum working properly again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the vacuum and remove the brush roller from the head. Step 2. Cut and remove any hair, threads, or debris wrapped around the roller. Step 3. Clean the roller and the brush housing thoroughly. Step 4. Reinstall the brush roller properly into its slot. Step 5. Turn the vacuum back on and ensure it is set to the correct cleaning mode. Step 6. Check that the roller spins freely and test it on a surface